Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please give me a like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we're going to react to Jeremy Sanico Hateman at The Voice of Australia 2026. So without further ado, let's go! So alam ko ito si Jeremy, sumali na siya dati sa Tawag ng Tanghalan if I'm not mistaken. Like that.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life,
Huge
for all the
song.
wrong that you made right.
So nasa Australia na siya, guys. Kasi dati sumali to sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Tapos if I'm not mistaken, parang kasama dapat siya sa Got Talent Tibay's Ganda na sa semifinals. Tapos tumapat sa Saturday kaya hindi siya tumuloy. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys.
For every dream you made come true, all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You were always there for me.
Diba? Pag Pilipino talaga na galing dito sa Pilipinas, tapos bigla napunta sa ibang bansa at lumaban ng contest, pasok. Alam niyo yun, guys.
Shining your love into my life.
Guys, narinig niyo yun? Amazing. Ulitin natin yung part na yun.
Light in the dark, shining your love into my life.
Galing na Pilipino.
My inspiration, through the lies you were the truth.
Oh. Ano guys? Pinasabugan tayo ng mga high notes si Jeremy. Ulitin natin yung part na yun. Oh my God. Grabe si Jeremy. Diba? Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe yung growl niya, guys, no? Tsaka grabe yung pagkakakanta niya. Talagang yung passion niya sa pagkanta, may kita mo eh. Parang naririnig ko sa kanya si Charisse. Ako lang ba, guys? Grabe naman yun. Parang si Charisse.
Because you loved me.
Grabe siya. Grabe naman to, guys. Amazing na may performance niya. Ulitin natin. Grabe siya. Ang ganda ng boses ni Jeremy.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life,
Huge song.
Diaphragm lang siya, guys.
Mommy.
for every dream you made come true, all the love I found in you,
Parang Pilipino na naman.
I'll be forever thankful, baby. You were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me.
Grabe yung passion niya, no? Tsaka ang galing niya kumanta, guys. Parang alam mo talaga na galing sa diaphragm siya kumanta kasi yung diin nung kanta niya, hindi siya
Light
nahihirapan.
in the dark, shining your love into my life. My inspiration, through the lies you were the truth.
Go, Jeremy.
My world is a better place because of you.
Ako din pa. Ako rin mag-golden buzzer ako.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe, di ba? Diba parang si Charis, ganyan yung version ni Charis eh. Nung kinanta niya together with Celine Dion.
Because you loved me.
Ganda yun. Go, Jeremy. Ano? Sa Australia na pala siya, guys. Kaya hindi siya tumuloy dati sa hindi niya tinapos tawag ng tanghala.
Oh, incredible.
Wow.
Wow. What is your name? Tell me your story. Where are you from?
Hello, my name is Jeremy Heitman. I'm 26. I live in Mount Bacchus, South Australia, but I'm originally from the Philippines.
You
Another proud Filipino na naman tayo, guys.
are a little pocket rocket.
Grabe.
It's this tiny little package and this massive voice. You were feeling it every moment. I felt like you were delivering that song to your family. Is that what you were thinking about?
I'm singing that, yes, for my family, but especially for my dad. He flew from the Philippines 2 days ago to come here.
Ang galing niya mag-English, guys. Aminin niyo. Ang ganda ng accent ni Jeremy.
Oh, it is wonderful.
Ang bata pa ng
I don't
daddy
know if
niya.
you know this, but that song was written by Diane Warren for her father. It's not a love song. I mean, it's a love song, but it's not a romantic love song. Diane wrote that about her dad who had just passed away, and it was a tribute to her father, so it makes total sense. And it's beautiful that your dad's here today to witness this.
Well, I'm sure your dad must be so proud. Celine Dion is a tough call, but I
Trending na
was
naman to,
blown
eh.
away by that. I have a feeling that you would have a really natural home on Team Kate. You would have a magnificent instrument. That belt was extraordinary, so high and then flipping up, and it was crystalline, it was pure. I would love to work with you.
Parang pasasabugin na niya yung buong studio sa taas ng boses. Guys, tinaas na. Totaling mataas na. Tinaas pa. Mas tinaas niya pa.
Please join Team Kate. You can't go wrong.
Thank you so much, Kate.
Oh, Jeremy, what an amazing performance. It really brought a tear to my eye. There was so much love and emotion you were just like sending their way, but we could all feel it. Before you started, like your little one, probably your youngest, was kind of, chattering away. And for you to keep your composure in that moment, again, being a mum who's a performer, so to have had the discipline to stay composed in that moment, I mean, hands up to you. That was brilliant.
Thank you, Melanie.
I would love to find out what we could do together.
Kayo guys, sino pipiliin yung coach kung kayo si Jeremy?
It's an honor.
Taking on Celine, it's kind of a no-no. Just don't do it, we'd say. But you smashed it. And there were some just moments of pure brilliance. Now, I've got a lot of female vocalists on my team, and I kind of told myself I wasn't going to turn for another female vocalist. But I had to turn. I had to turn for you. You're that good. The right place for you is here on Team Ronan. Come on over.
Go, Team Ronan.
Right. Come on.
I don't know if you know this, but I've gotten to work with Celine Dion.
Where's your name?
Because
Drop
sinabi
jar.
kay Celine Dion yun, guys.
When I won the Grammy 2004, I guess, it was for Song of the Year,
Si Ronan.
and it was for a song called Dance with My Father. And I wrote it with Luther Vandross, who had had a stroke.
Two. Celine, Luther. Oh, it's a big one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Cute ni Ronan.
And Luther Vandross had just had the stroke that ultimately took him from us. And so I got a call saying, Celine Dion would really love to sing that song at the Grammys. Would you play piano for her? So Celine and I did that song together. I think I'm your guy, because I want to be your coach on the stages you're going to be singing on 2 years from now, 3 years from now. But first,
Marami na naman mag-aabang for sure ng mga video ni Jeremy nito. Kasi syempre, ang galing niya. Tapos, from
let's win
Philippines,
the
di ba?
voice, and we can do it together.
Thank you. Thank you, Richard.
Ito yung pipiliin niya. Excited ako.
It's up to you.
Rona.
We got 4 coaches. I don't know how we compete with that.
This is where it gets stressful.
I feel so honored. I have just been dreaming for this moment of my life, and I can't believe that all of you 4 have turned. And I know that all of you have a lot to contribute to me. You are all amazing. But I'm going to choose Richard.
Oh, Richard, because of the Lydia.
Of course you are.
Dear Richard.
We went in hard.
Oh my God.
You're so awesome.
Abangan na naman natin si Jeremy. But before that, balikan natin yung birit niya doon. Grabe yun, guys. Yung sigaw niya kanina dito, oh. Sandali. Yan. Kasama ng vocal agility. Charis Taylor ay narinig ko dun sa gala.
Because you loved me.
Galing. Amazing. Diba guys, isa na naman Pilipino ang talagang nag-represent ng Philippines. Although taga-Australia si Jeremy. Pero grabe ang galing niya, no? Ang dami na rin niya sinalihan dito sa Philippines, like tawag ng tanghalan. Nakakatuwa kasi diba, marami talagang Pilipino ang nag-excel sa ibang bansa. Again, hanggang dito na yung video natin. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification button for more video. Again, my name is Raven. Bye-bye!